step into the fascinating world of food production with the latest advancements in rice bar manufacturing. Today, we delve into the heart of a cutting-edge production line, where technology meets culinary creativity. Imagine a seamless process where carefully selected grains of rice are transformed into delicious, nutritious bars that satisfy both hunger and taste buds. From the precise blending of ingredients to the artful molding and packaging, every step is a testament to precision and quality. At the forefront of this innovation are state-of-the-art machines that ensure consistency in texture and rise, all while adhering to the highest standards of food safety. It's not just about efficiency and flavor, it's also about sustainability. Many of these production lines are designed with eco-friendly practices in mind, minimizing waste and energy consumption to leave a smaller footprint on our planet.